Hey guys, I'm gonna tell you about what I just recently got. It's actually kind of cool because it was free. I seriously just found it like 5 minutes ago in my basement. Turns out my dad was in the army, so he had like this giant duffel bag full of extra stuff, and I got like a bunch of free clothing, camo gear. Well, not really gear, but sort of just like a couple things. But if I need it, like I can. If I need more, I just get some. It's actually I got a couple pieces. I got I got some pants. I got a jacket, which I kind of like, and I got a heavier jacket for those. For all the people who like mod their guns and stuff. You know, that really hurts sometimes. Yeah, expect our war to, or we're gonna have a couple wars, but we still don't have really a cameraman. So, expect some more videos, of course, but actually I'm gonna try something really quick, 1 second. Okay. Pants. Well, alright, there we go. Oh, it's cold. It's the good old basement swear, I guess. Let's see. These are really good. They're kind of hitting me. I don't really feel it. They're kind of heavy, so a little bit small, but that'll work. And I got a jacket. Feels kind of weird. I just still need to find something to hold my crazy pet. Just go Rambo style. Maybe get a red one. Let's go work. But yeah, this goes pretty cool. Got my pants, my jacket. Nothing really for a face yet, but I'm thinking about getting like a ghillie suit or something. Subscribe, favorite, whatever. Strike King 135.